What's going on, guys? Gabe here with ReviewDork, and we have a quick tutorial now. When we compare the PS5 to the Xbox Series X, they're more of the same, but fairly different. In particular, the UI. One of the biggest gripes from PS5 users is the lack of a native browser. And I'm going to show you guys how to quickly access a browser because, interesting enough, your PS5 does support keyboard. I did attempt to connect my Logitech mouse, but it did not recognize that. However, there is a quick, easy, slick and sly way to access the browser. So for those who have a PS5, you simply hit the PlayStation button on the controller. You want to go to Game Base, and I actually sent Applejack some message. So we're going to go ahead and send them another message. And I just want you guys to see that the keyboard does in fact work because, well, you don't type this fast with a controller. But we're going to enter the browser. Or excuse me, you want to enter google.com. Now, with google.com, you can literally access anything. So now when I click this message, I'm now sent to google.com. I can then go ahead to the Google bar here and then type in a website that I want to visit. So in this case, we want to visit, let's just say, The Verge. So we click that, we hit enter, and through the Google search bar, or excuse me, well, yeah, through Google search, you have a browser. Now, here we are. We are on the search page. Now, how would this be useful? Well, if you need to search up a tutorial on a game and we go to options, we can actually go ahead and pin this to the side here. And look at that. Now we have a mobile version of the app, and we can go ahead and place it to the left or the right. We're just going to place it there. We then can go ahead and navigate to the app from the main page by pressing the PlayStation button, and then we can scroll down. You see that there? So I think this is fairly cool. Also, you have other options. Again, if you want to go back, you can click the back button. It is then going to take you back to Google. And from here, we can go to the search and change the address. So in this situation, I want to delete The Verge. Let's go on over to ESPN.com. Then we can go ahead and select ESPN.com from the search results. And again, guys, use this to your heart's content. I'm sure you will find a couple of creative ways. Let's see if we could play video. How about we hit the back button? Let's try YouTube. Let's see if this is a HTML5 enabled browser. So let's visit YouTube. We select YouTube from the search result, and then we will select the video. So let's go ahead and just click this live stream. So whenever you feel the need to access a browser, just send your buddy a message and click on your own message. Send them http://google.com, hit enter, and now you're surfing. This is Gabe with ReviewDork. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I am signing out. Peace.